Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I just opened my Kiwi Club box, fully expecting to find February 2022, but it's April 2022. So I'm hoping that I'm not messing anything up by showing it to you. I don't know what happened. I will look into it, but I decided I have everything set up. I'm going to go ahead and get this filmed, and then I'll figure out what's going on. So let me get my little corners off. I've told you before, I love these corners. They just keep the paper so nice. So cover sheet for the kit gives a quick glimpse at all the papers inside, quick glimpse at the templates, and then some of the templates that'll be featured in the idea book this time. So if you've got Abbey Road and Tiny Egg Hunt, you're probably going to have a blast using that idea book and creating from it. If not, this might be the time that you want to add those to your collection. So let's take a quick look at the paper first. So this is darling. Oh my gosh. Cute, cute. Little bunnies, little strawberry clusters. Super fun. And then just a fun pink and a pattern design on the back, and a really fun plaid, and a light green, kind of a soft kind of golden yellow design with a gingham on the back. It's more of like a teal gingham. This is just little clusters with a soft pink design on the back. Oh, look at this strawberry paper. This is fun. That's a neat print. Really spring, summery, with red on the back. That almost looks like seeds, like strawberry. Cute. Fun red floral. Kind of a light turquoise on the back. Soft blue, I guess. And then we get to the background pages. So these ones have a subtle stripe. Green on this side, kind of a beige on this side. This one looks more like a, what do they call that pattern? Can't remember. It's almost like diamonds, but it's got another name. So soft yellow on this side, and red on that side. And then this is green and kind of a soft turquoisey blue on the back. So lots of choices for paper this time. Looks like everything's going to go together beautifully as normal. All right, and then let's see what our cards look like. The sentiment cards are often just so fun. They really add a lot of fun detail to the pages. So big ones first. We've got Bunny Kisses, Easter Wishes. Sweet and juicy strawberries ready for the picking. Aw, you are very special. That's sweet. And then we got 4x4s. There's beauty all around. Spring cutie. And you are loved. Happy Easter to some bunny I love. Easter blessings. This is the sweet life. Rejoice in the miracle of Easter. And then just a really cute little spring memories card. I'm always impressed with the colors and designs on the back as well. Lots of flexibility there for little details if you have paper left over, or if there's a sentiment you're not super fond of. It's just another way to use it. Let's see what these templates are looking like. Oh my gosh, these strawberries are awesome. even though they're stuck in the package. All right, so this month's template set is called Berry. So we've got a fun little jar. So this one is Berry 2. Okay. I've got Berry 3. There's a neat little banner. We can check sizes on these too. So this jar is about 2.5 inches wide by about 3 inches tall. And it's got this sweet little spot here that you could trace one of these templates, one of these designs that you want to maybe put on that jar. Just trying to see if any are made for just that right size. Actually, I don't see any that are just right for that, but great little spot that you could outline that and put, write something on there. Some really cute possibilities with that shape. It's like a little label on the jar. Okay, Berry 3. It's more like a little banner. Okay, and that one is about 4 inches wide and about 1.75 inches tall. This is Berry 4. So this is that strawberry cluster with the leaves. Loving that. So I don't know which way I would probably kind of have it a little sideways, but I'm going to stand it straight up and down so you can get an idea. It is about 5 inches tall, almost, and at its widest spot, about 3 inches wide. So that's a really good size. And then we've got these guys. So this is Berry 5 and Berry 6. So really cute little design here. First thing I thought of was it might be fun to do something like that. It almost looks like little Easter eggs, doesn't it? If you look at the whole shape. So fun little ideas there. And I don't know about you, but it looks to me like I'm missing one because I see 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's look. It looks like what I'm missing is this little one here, and it looks like it's probably something that goes on the top of the jar. So I'll have to contact Kiwi Lane. They're always amazing about supplying something that's missing, so not a big deal. I'll get that taken care of. But what a fun kind of summery, springy set. This is going to be great to create with. So I hope that you enjoyed your sneak peek and that whatever you are doing, you are having a good day today. I look forward to seeing you on my channel again soon. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.